The 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25. The name alone sets a tone of prestige. It's not just a motorhome. It's a moving symbol of American engineering meeting refined adventure. Built on the Ford F600 chassis, this Super C delivers brute power, stability, and a commanding road presence that few RVs in its class can match. From the first glance, you know this isn't a regular coach. The front design is pure strength. A bold chrome grille, squared hood lines, and LED matrix headlights that carve through the night with precision. Every detail, from the sculpted bumper to the aerodynamic hood vents, looks ready to dominate both highways and high mountain passes. The full-body paint job is a masterpiece in itself. The 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 comes in a range of rich, layered color schemes: deep graphite, pearl white, midnight blue, and champagne gold, each finished with high-gloss protective coating. Under sunlight, the metallic shimmer dances across its body like liquid glass. The large panoramic windshield gives you a cockpit-like command view of the road ahead. It's not just wide, it's slightly curved, designed to reduce wind drag while maximizing visibility. The side mirrors, massive and power-adjustable, feature built-in cameras for blind spot monitoring, so no corner goes unseen. Move along the side, and a full-length power awning extends effortlessly with LED light strips embedded underneath, creating an inviting outdoor lounge area. The motorized awning automatically retracts in heavy wind, one of those smart touches that show how much thought went into every inch of this coach. Now let's talk about one of the most eye-catching features, the outdoor entertainment zone. Beneath the awning, you'll find a built-in 40-inch smart TV, weatherproof soundbar, HDMI ports, and a mini outdoor kitchen setup. Whether it's tailgating, watching the sunset, or hosting friends under the stars, this setup turns every stop into an event. Along the side, you'll find plenty of storage, massive aluminum compartments with slam latch doors. Each compartment is insulated and sealed with rubber gaskets, keeping your gear safe from dust and rain. There's even a dedicated slide-out tray for easy access to larger equipment. At the rear, the design stays true to Thor's luxury aesthetic. LED taillights with C-shaped patterns, a backup camera neatly integrated above the ladder, and aerodynamic curves that help airflow during long drives. The towing hitch rated up to 12,000 pounds allows you to bring a trailer, car, or even a boat, making this coach as practical as it is elegant. Up top, the roof features dual solar panels and an integrated. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, its powertrain. The 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 is powered by Ford's 6.7L Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine, pushing out massive torque for towing and effortless highway cruising. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it's smoother, quieter, and more fuel-efficient than ever before. But this isn't just about muscle, it's about balance. The upgraded chassis design ensures better weight distribution and a lower center of gravity, which means this RV handles curves and elevation changes like a dream. Whether you're cruising through the Rockies or coasting along California's Highway 1, the ride feels controlled and confident. From every angle, the 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 looks like it belongs in a league of its own. Rugged, elegant, and unmistakably premium, you can tell this motorhome was built for travelers who want it all: adventure, comfort, and commanding style. Step closer to the entry door. The handle lights up softly with LED glow. Tap the smart key fob and the automatic step extends gracefully. The moment you enter, you leave the road behind and step into a world of handcrafted luxury. As you step inside the 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25, the first thing you feel isn't just comfort, it's craftsmanship. Every texture, every finish, every light seems to have been carefully chosen to make you forget you're inside a motorhome at all. The cabin greets you with soft LED ambient lighting running along the ceiling panels, creating a warm, hotel-like glow. The flooring is marine-grade vinyl, durable yet soft underfoot, with a natural wood grain pattern that extends seamlessly throughout the entire coach. The interior color palette is modern and sophisticated. Think champagne beige, soft taupe, and matte walnut accents. Let's begin right at the cockpit, the command center of this luxury Super C. Here, you'll find two captain's chairs wrapped in ultra-soft leather with diamond stitching. They're both heated and ventilated, power adjustable, and swivel around to face the living area when parked. The dashboard layout feels more like a luxury SUV than an RV. Everything is ergonomically placed. Front and center is a large digital driver's display that merges analog sophistication with digital clarity. You'll see above the cab, you'll find an overhead bunk, a space that can transform into a cozy sleeping zone or extra storage. It's well lit with its own reading lights and panoramic window. The latter tucks away neatly when not in use, keeping the space open and airy. Move just a few steps behind the cockpit, and the living area opens up beautifully. The slide-out section expands the interior width, creating a sense of space you wouldn't expect from a 25-foot coach. The ceiling height of nearly 7 feet enhances that roomy, residential feel. The sofa lounge on one side feels like something out of a high-end apartment. It's plush, supportive, and finished with high-resilience foam that holds its shape even after long trips. The stitching, the armrests, the reclining feature, all designed for comfort. Across from it, the dining area features a convertible booth dinette with premium upholstery and hidden storage underneath the seats. The tabletop is a faux stone surface, scratch-resistant and elegant. At night, this area can convert into another sleeping space, perfect for guests or kids. Mounted above the dinette is a 40-inch smart TV integrated into the wall panel, directly opposite the sofa. The entertainment system is powered by a Bose sound module, giving you surround sound that fills the cabin with deep, crisp tones. Whether it's a movie night or background music while parked by the beach, the experience feels cinematic. The windows in this motorhome deserve a moment of appreciation. They're large, tinted, and dual-pane insulated for both temperature and sound control. Each one features roller shades that glide silently, letting you choose between privacy and sunlight with ease. Now, let's move to the kitchen, one of the showpieces of the 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25. This galley kitchen is sleek, efficient, and incredibly functional. It features solid surface countertops that mimic polished quartz, a deep stainless steel sink with a high-arc faucet, and a beautiful glass tile backsplash that adds a touch of elegance. You'll find a dual-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, and a large 12V refrigerator with separate freezer, all flush-mounted to create a seamless, modern look. Storage is everywhere: soft-close drawers, overhead cabinets with LED strip lighting, and even a pull-out pantry designed for dry goods. The lighting here is a highlight, literally. Under-cabinet LEDs and ceiling-mounted light panels create layers of soft, ambient illumination, making the kitchen feel warm and sophisticated. Everything in the kitchen has been designed for convenience while keeping luxury front and center. Even the drawers have felt lining, and the cabinet handles have a satin nickel finish. You can tell that Thor wanted this space to feel like home, not like a compromise. Across from the kitchen, there's additional storage, wardrobes, utility cabinets, and a control panel discreetly built into the wall. The touchscreen control system manages lighting, temperature, slides, and even tank levels, all from one place. You can also control these features. This is where Thor's designers truly pushed boundaries. The bathroom is full-size and luxurious, featuring a large shower with glass doors, skylight, and a rainfall-style showerhead. The walls are finished with marble-look panels, giving it that upscale spa aesthetic. There's a porcelain toilet, not plastic, and a vanity with a solid surface countertop, under-sink storage, and a backlit mirror. The ambient glow around the mirror at night gives it a premium, hotel-like look. Even the vent fan is whisper-quiet, and there's a window for natural ventilation. You'll find hooks, towel bars, and a built-in linen closet, all small touches that add up to a truly thoughtful layout. The bathroom's design proves that luxury isn't about size. It's about smart use of space and attention to detail. It's this combination that makes the Pasadena SE SZ25 stand out among other Super CS in its class. As you step out of the bathroom, you enter the rear sleeping area, a space designed for rest and serenity. The experience subtly shifts. The lighting dims, the textures soften, and the entire atmosphere becomes more serene, designed for relaxation after a long day on the road. The bedroom in the 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 feels unexpectedly spacious for its size. Centered against the back wall is a queen-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress, wrapped in high-thread count bedding. The headboard features an elegant diamond-stitched leatherette pattern with ambient backlighting that softly glows at night, creating a calm, cozy environment. The overhead cabinets above the bed have soft-close hinges, lined interiors, and matte nickel handles. Each side of the bed has a built-in nightstand, USB ports, and wireless charging pads. Thoughtful, functional, and future-ready. What you'll love most here is the dual panoramic windows on both sides. They flood the bedroom with natural light during the day and frame the view outside at night, whether that's a mountain ridge, desert skyline, or coastal horizon. With blackout roller shades, you can block out all light when you're ready to rest. On the opposite wall, there's a smart TV mounted on a swing arm, allowing perfect viewing angles from the bed. Below it, more cabinetry, deep drawers for clothes and essentials, and a hidden safe for valuables. The air conditioning system in this section is whisper quiet, a duct system with multi-zone climate control that can keep the bedroom cool without disturbing sleep. You can also control lighting and temperature using the smart control panel near the bed or through the mobile app. But Thor didn't stop at aesthetics. The storage design throughout the Pasadena SE SZ25 is exceptional. Every inch of space has been engineered to be functional. Under the bed, you'll find a large lift-up storage compartment perfect for extra bedding, outdoor chairs, or luggage. There are pull-out drawers under the dinette, overhead cabinets along the slide-outs, and hidden storage inside the entry steps. Even the exterior compartments are insulated and finished with rubberized lining, protecting your gear from the elements. Now, let's talk off-grid and power capability, because this is where the 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 really begins to separate itself from the rest. This RV is equipped with a lithium-ion battery system, capable of running the interior system silently for extended periods. You'll find a 3,000-watt inverter, roof-mounted solar panels, and an onboard Onan diesel generator for backup. The smart energy management system automatically balances power between battery, solar, and generator to optimize efficiency. For heating and hot water, the SZ25 uses a Truma AquaGo comfort system, ensuring instant and endless hot water, whether you're off-grid in the mountains or parked by a lake. Freshwater capacity is generous, around 80 gallons, with gray and black tanks designed for extended stays. Tank heaters and insulation ensure that even in freezing temperatures, the system operates flawlessly. The exterior utility bay is thoughtfully organized, color-coded valves, outside shower, and even an automatic reel for the power cord. Everything feels engineered with precision. Now step outside the coach for a moment. The exterior lighting system on the SZ25 is a masterpiece. Full-length LED strips run along the awning, undercarriage accent lights create a floating glow at night, and integrated porch lighting ensures visibility when setting up camp. The patio awning itself is power retractable, wind sensitive, and LED lit. It extends smoothly with one touch, transforming the side of the RV into an outdoor lounge. You can add an exterior TV, Bluetooth speakers, and even mount an outdoor kitchen module if you wish, because Thor understands that the adventure doesn't stop at the door. But perhaps the most impressive part of the Pasadena SE SZ25 is the driving experience, the heart of what makes this motorhome special. Powered by a 6.7L Cummins Turbo Diesel engine, paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, this Super C delivers smooth, powerful performance with 360 horsepower and over 800 lb-ft of torque. You can tow up to 12,000 pounds, meaning your car, boat, or trailer can come along for the journey without compromise. Behind the wheel, you'll notice a commanding driving position with a wide view of the road. The air suspension absorbs imperfections effortlessly, while the adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance systems work quietly in the background to make driving stress-free. It's not just a motorhome, it feels like piloting a luxury tourer. Every curve, every hill, every highway stretch feels effortless. And when you finally reach your destination, whether that's a national park, mountain pass, or a quiet lakeside, all it takes is the press of a button. The slides extend, the awning unfurls, the ambient lights come alive, and suddenly, your Pasadena SE SZ25 transforms from a vehicle into a luxury home on wheels. Inside, the LED lighting glows softly, the air conditioning hums quietly, and the materials, the textures, the finishes, all remind you that this isn't just another RV. It's a space built for those who want refinement and adventure in perfect balance. This is more than travel. This is freedom engineered beautifully. The 2026 Thor Pasadena SE SZ25 captures everything modern RV life should be. Compact yet powerful, luxurious yet adventurous, elegant yet ready for the open road. Whether you're a full-time traveler, a weekend wanderer, or someone ready to upgrade to true premium RV living, this coach feels like it's waiting for you, ready to carry your story wherever the road leads next.